Hi guys, good day. Chemistry question 6, 2012. Hydrogen reacted with oxygen to give us steam, which is water in gaseous state. In the reaction above, what volume of hydrogen would be left over when 300 cm cube of oxygen and 1000 cm cube of hydrogen are exploded in a sealed tube? Option A, 200 cm cube. Option B, we have 400 cm cube. Option C, we have 600 cm cube. Option D, we have 700 cm cube. Please note that this question is drawn from gases, and specifically from gas law known as Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. This law is usually tested as follows. You'll be given an equation, but make sure that the equation is balanced. This equation will actually help you to solve this question. Note that Gay-Lussac's law does not work alone. It works closely with Avogadro's law. And Avogadro's law states that equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. So let's move quickly to solve this question. Let's move and solve this question so that we can make sense of what we want to do. So let's go to the board. This is the board, and we want to solve the question. Now, solving the question is very important. Perhaps we need to understand certain things. Okay, so let's go to the equation. The equation is 2 moles of hydrogen, 2 moles of hydrogen gas is combining with 1 mole of oxygen gas. And that's going to give us 2 moles of water in gaseous state. According to the equation, balanced chemical equation, you have 2 moles of hydrogen, and that 2 moles reacted with 1 mole of oxygen, and finally it's giving us 2 moles of the water, steam. According to Avogadro's law, 2 moles of this is going to give us 2 cm cube. That's Avogadro's law. And then 1 mole here will also give us 1 cm cube. And this one also will give us 2 cm cube. Now, let's go to the question. The question says 1000 cm cube of hydrogen reacted with 30 cm cube of, that's 300, beg your pardon, that's 300, not 30, 300 cm cube. That is 300 cm cube of oxygen. Now, they reacted. In this case, there's no reaction going on already. So let's look at it. It means that they are sharing it in ratio 2 to 1. If one person collects 300, logically, how much should 2 persons collect? In that ratio is going to be 600. So this fellow is collecting 300 cm cube according to the ratio. Then correct it. This one is going to be 600 cm cube. That's going to be 600 cm cube. That is cm cube. All right. Therefore, this is 2. This is also 2. This fellow is going to also collect 600 cm cube. So let's subtract. It means that I have 1000, subtract 600 from 1000. You are going to be left with 400 cm cube. And then subtract 300 from 300, you are going to be left with 0 cm cube. Then subtract nothing from here, you are going to get 600 cm cube. And the question is asking you, what is the volume of hydrogen left? The volume of hydrogen left here is 400. Now, should the question ask you, what is the total volume of residual gases? You are going to add that total volume will give us 400 cm cube plus 0 cm cube plus 600 cm cube, and that will be equal to 1000 cm cube. That will be total for the gases. But the question is just asking you the volume of hydrogen left, and that is 400. As it stands now, it makes the correct option, according to this explanation, the correct option is B. Thank you.